वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Harmeet Kaur. I am student of class 10, studying in Akal Academy, Tibbat. Today I am going to perform an activity about Euclid division lemma. Here I have taken two numbers a and b. A is equal to 22 cm and b is equal to 6 cm. I have taken yellow strip which is 22 cm long. Now I will paste it on the white sheet. Now here I have pasted 22 cm long strip on white sheet. So I will paste another strip which is 6 cm long. Here, as we see, there are three strips of 6 cm which cover this 22 cm long strip. As we see, if we arrange three strips beneath this, then this part is left and this part is 4 cm long. So I will paste this 4 cm long strip beneath the 6 cm strip. Here I have pasted 4 cm strip under the 6 cm strip. Now as we see here, 2 cm length is left. So I will paste two strips of 2 cm strips under the 4 cm strip. So here I have pasted two strips of 2 cm here. So as we see here now, no length is left here. So we can conclude from this HCF of 22 and 6 cm is 2 cm. Thanks.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. I am Harmeet Kaur from class 10 Rose, student of Akal Academy, Tibbat. In this video, we will visualize and learn how we can find the HCF of two numbers by using the method Euclid's division algorithm. Here I have two numbers a and b, where a is greater than b. So first of all, I will divide a and b to check whether b is the factor of a or not. Now I want to divide these both, which means I will remove b blocks from the a unit. Now we will see how many blocks of b we can use to cover a, as you are observing that if I use two blocks of b, then the second one became larger than the a, so it is not possible. It means b is not the factor of a. Now I have a remainder left. Let's say it c. Now I will take a number which is smaller than b and divisible by b and a. Now we know if a number smaller than b is divisible by it, so it will divide a up to here. To divide the complete, the number should divide c also. So now we will find the number who is highest common factor of b and c. Now I will try to divide b with c. If we divide two c blocks, then it is not possible to, so I will take one remainder, say it d. It shows c is also not the factor of b. Now we will divide c and d to find HCF of c and d. Now if I divide c with d, and we can see that d completely divides the c. Now we can see clearly that d also divides a and b like this. You can see the d has divided c and b. Now it will divide a also. So we came to end of this video by finding HC of A and B, that is D, by using Euclid's division algorithm. Thank you.